Today I'm playing some Murder Mystery Tour with my friend Jacob.
Oh, hi guys! Can you please subscribe
Yeah,
to my account? Also, guys, I'm recording.
his name is Chris Gaming.
Yeah.
Hey, can I
I
have
will change
your?
my name. My name will be. I will change my name. Okay. My name will be Zylic. Search my YouTube account. ZYLEAK. Zylic. That's my name will be. So don't search Chris Gaming. Just search Zylic. Big Z is small, the rest are small. There's no number, no underscore, Zylic.
Let me trade something here. Okay, this is rich.
Trade Kazaloy, Haloy, Anka. What the fuck is that name?
Can you trade this? Yay, you can trade it.
I'm sorry guys. I said a bad word.
Hey, can you trade me? Hey, trade me. I want these. I want some guns. Hey, ito na.
You have already a good gun in your gun. What are you? Let's team.
Okay, I'm innocent.
Also guys, my TV can speak. Speak. Tagalog. What? I just call it Filipino. She can sing Filipino. But I can speak Filipino, but
I
only know like 50 Tagalog words. Okay, can you quiet? I saw the murderer and the sheriff.
I'm just chilling here.
Where are you?
Go
The
in,
bird is outside.
go inside.
Go inside.
Don't die already. Okay, let me trade something. Why they're not accepting me?
Oh, you're out. You're there.
Hello.
I know how to get there. The gun is the murder is outside. Let's get the gun.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Come here. Let's go outside here. The gun is in behind the tree.
Woo! No!
You die.
I almost get the gun.
She's a star getter.
You have a headless.
No, that's a fake head.
Okay, you're giving me plus the blade.
I'm in a
Okay.
Kabiri.
Give me more. Give me two because I give you two items.
I'm
Okay.
in the Kabiri, Philippines. Silent Kale.
Give me two items. I'm giving. Give me two items. Give me two items. Come on, Pastor. I said two items, not one item.
Also, guys, I'm making this video 20 or maybe 15 minutes video. I don't want to make it 1 hour.
Oh no, guys, I got disconnect. So, guys, I got disconnected. Okay, let's explicate them. Okay, Jacob is just AFK. We'll have headless. He's just AFK. The murder is who's the murderer? Okay, who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? The murderer is who is it? Wait, I know who's the murderer. Okay, the murderer is... Okay, I'm Brick. Who's the murderer? Broke up Bioblade. We're up Bioblade, nice. Okay, what do you have more? Bioblade. Some Ice Wing. Him. Can I have free Ice Wing? Hey, can I have free Ice Wing? Where are you? Give me free Ice Wing. Let me just play 2 more games. Hey, I'm asking him first, not so you're going to give it to me. Innocent. Okay. I only have 1 game more to end this video. Okay, let's see this. Okay, oh no. Oh, oopsie. Dodge. Oh, dodge. Okay, he's the mine. Yay! Ouch. I'm... That's more. Okay, let's see. Hey, get away from my head. Girl. What? Okay, can you give me free ice wing? Yay, thank you. No, why? You don't want free ice wing? You don't want to give me free ice wing? Ice wing is $1. It's me. Okay, this is the last game. And I got innocent. Oh no. Where's the murderer? Yeah. Now. Okay. Guys. So I don't have any play to do. I don't have much time. So guys, I'm gonna end this video and also subscribe. Please just subscribe. I wanna reach 1K or 1 million and 10 million. So just subscribe so you can get a lot of Robux. Please.